Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the ZunVolt portable room heater. This is a 2000 watt room heater, and on the front of the package we have an image of the product itself, the brand name and the product name on the left hand side. On the bottom we have some of the salient features which include a dual heating setting, noiseless operation, safety tip over switch, sleek and compact design, handy and portable design as well, and processed quartz heating element. Up top we have an ISI branding, and it says that it is fitted with a thermostat and cutout. The right hand side of the package simply has a QR code that can be used to register for the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. The left hand side of the package has some of the technical specifications like its wattage, which is 2000 watts, input, which is 220 to 230 volts at 50 Hz AC, and the year of manufacturing. At the bottom, we have the details for the customer care. On top, we simply have some ZunVolt branding. There's nothing on the bottom, and the back is exactly the same as the front. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of an instruction manual. This should help you understand the two knobs and understand the various features of this room heater. It also has some warranty information, but once again, please consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Coming to the room heater, we can clearly see that it has a matte white finish going all across the product, apart from the front metallic grill, that is, which is finished in black. Up top, we have the ventilation vent. Here we have a warning that says do not cover this vent to prevent the heating elements from overheating. Over here we have the two knobs. The one on the left is to adjust the fan speed, and the one on the right is to adjust the temperature of the heating element. In the middle we have the pilot light to show if the device is powered on or not. This room heater can be used in a couple of orientations. Right now it is in its horizontal mode, and we can also keep it like this in its vertical mode. The handle on the left hand side can be used as a handle, obviously, and it also forms the feet of the heater, one of the feet of the heater, while it is in the horizontal mode. On the underside we also have another ventilation grill, and we suggest that you do not cover it as well, or do not keep the heater on a soft surface where this would get covered up. There are two more feet over here which serve as your vertical orientation feet and also as your horizontal orientation feet. Coming to the cable, we see that it is a very chunky and thick cable, and the plug point is a standard 3-pin Indian plug, which is very common in most Indian households. So this was the unboxing of the ZunVolt portable room heater. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.